Welcome to our video on Cat6 cables, a crucial component for modern high-speed networking, supporting up to 10 gigabits per second. Cat6 cables provide 250 MHz bandwidth and reach up to 100 meters, ideal for LAN, MAN, and WAN solutions. Constructed with 4 twisted copper wire pairs, Cat6 features PVC or LSZH insulation and a 23 AWG wire gauge. Straight-through cables connect different devices, like computers to switches, with a specific wire color configuration. Crossover cables, used for connecting similar devices, swap transmit and receive pins in their color configuration. Cat6 cables are perfect for data centers and high-speed internet, ensuring robust, efficient network connectivity. For optimal installation, secure cables properly, avoid sharp bends, and test thoroughly to prevent issues. If problems arise, check configurations, inspect for damage, and use testers to diagnose and replace faulty cables. Compared to Cat5e, Cat6 offers higher bandwidth, while Cat6a and Cat7 provide even greater performance. Choosing Cat6 ensures reliable, high-speed network connections, essential for today's demanding data environments. Cat6 cables provide high-speed network connections, crucial for environments needing reliable and fast data transmission across various applications. In Ethernet networking, Cat6 cables connect devices like computers and routers, supporting gigabit and 10 gigabits per second speeds over short distances. Data centers utilize Cat6 cables for swift data transfer, facilitating seamless communication between servers and switches with minimal latency. In telecommunications, businesses leverage Cat6 for VoIP systems and advanced phone setups, ensuring high-quality voice communication over data networks. For streaming media, Cat6 cables deliver smooth HD video and gaming experiences, offering stable, high-speed connections superior to wireless options. Surveillance systems use Cat6 to link IP cameras, providing the bandwidth necessary for high-resolution video feeds and reliable remote monitoring. In smart homes and offices, Cat6 supports devices like smart TVs and automation systems, ensuring swift and dependable network communication. Overall, Cat6 cables offer enhanced bandwidth and reduced interference, making them essential for modern, high-performance network infrastructure across multiple sectors. A Cat6 straight-through cable connects devices like computers, routers, and hubs in a network efficiently. Straight-through indicates that both ends of the cable have identical wiring configurations for seamless connectivity. Each pin on one end connects to the corresponding pin on the other end, maintaining consistency through pin 8. The cable follows either the T568A or T568B standard, with distinct color coding for wire organization. T568A is common in residential networks, while T568B is favored in business networks for its color scheme. This cable is ideal for high-speed data transfer, supporting speeds up to 10 gigabits per second over 55 meters. In essence, it's a reliable choice for ensuring stable communication in standard Ethernet LANs. Cat6 crossover cables enable direct connections between devices, like computers, without a network hub or switch. Crossing refers to the cable's wiring configuration, swapping transmit and receive pins at both ends. In standard Ethernet cables, transmit pins align with receive pins directly, unlike crossover cables. For example, pin 1 transmit connects to pin 3 receive, and pin 2 transmit connects to pin 6 receive. This crossover design facilitates device communication without routers or switches, useful in older networking setups. AutoMDI MDIX technology now often eliminates the need for crossover cables by adjusting automatically for cable types. Cat6 crossover cables remain relevant for specific scenarios requiring direct device-to-device networking.